Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to integrate and automate some application tasks using Zapier. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects applications and services. Zapier is very useful if you want to automate repetitive tasks from two or more applications. Normally, you have to pay for a developer to make these type of integrations. But the good thing with Zapier is you don't need to learn how to code or rely on developers to build the simple integration. Zapier actually made it possible and easier. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start automating tasks using Zapier. First, let's go to zapier.com to register a new account. You can actually use your Google account, Facebook account, or by registering email account. Zapier will automatically activate a 14-day trial period so you can try their premium features upon initial login. Once a free trial period is over, you can still use Zapier with a free account or upgrade for a $19.99 payment for a monthly subscription. Okay, so I will try to integrate my Facebook page and Google Sheets so whenever there's a new post in my Facebook page, the name of the person or the page will be logged to the Google spreadsheet. To do that, we're going to make a Zap. By the way, an automated workflow that Zapier creates is called a Zap. Each Zap consists of a trigger for one or more actions. When you turn your Zap on, it will run the action steps every time the trigger event occurs. Let's go ahead and start creating Zap. So to do that, click the Make a Zap button on the left side of your screen. Okay. Now look for the option Facebook Pages. Click on it. And since I'm targeting the new post on my Facebook page timeline, so I have to select New Post to your timeline. And hit Continue. Select your Facebook page. Continue again. Okay, so I'm going to use this Facebook page that I have. Now, click Continue. Anyways, if ever there's an issue, you will get an error, and you just have to go back to that. Zap will actually ask you to go back to that part where you got the error. Okay, let's just test the trigger to see if it works fine. Okay, since I don't have any new posts yet on my timeline, that's why we're getting this message. We're gonna try it later. So first, let's go ahead and add this Google Sheet where we're going to put the logs and whenever there's a new post in my Facebook page. So create a spreadsheet row. Continue. Let's look for that spreadsheet. Okay. Upon selecting your Google Drive, it will list all of the spreadsheets that are located in your Google Drive. It doesn't matter if it's in a folder, it will list all of it. So this is that spreadsheet that I created specifically for this task. So let's select it. Now I have multiple sheets in this spreadsheet, so I'm going to select one. Make sure that you already have a header, because earlier when I did not have one, I did get an error. Just leave it blank. Continue. Okay, so as you can see, it did find a problem. So let's just click on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new post in my timeline to see if it works fine. So let me just go to my Facebook page. Okay. Okay, so let me create a new post. Let's just do a test. Okay, that'll do. Let's post it. Let's just refresh the page. Okay, so it's posted. Let's go back to Zapier. Let's see. Let's try to test the trigger. All right, so as you can see, it did find my new post. Let's continue. Okay, this has already been set up earlier, so let's just go ahead and just keep hitting continue. Let's try to test again. All right, let's continue. All right, so we're done. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this Zap on and see if it worked fine. Let's go to my Zaps, and as you can see, it's already on. You can change the name of your Zap from here. Let's see, my Facebook page log. That should do it. Let's go ahead and check. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes before the new post or your spreadsheet will be updated, so you might have to wait for a couple of minutes for this. But let's just let me just try to refresh it. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it did post the name of the person who posted in my page. Right, since I'm the one who did it, it did put the name of my page in here. Okay, so just one more thing. Once you're done with your Zap, everything would actually be saved in a specific folder. It will be saved to your Zaps tab. You just go to it here. That way, if you want to make certain revisions in your Zap, you can just click the drop down box and you have an option to edit or to remove it or delete it. Make sure that your Zap is not on, just in case you want to remove or to trash your current Zap. Alright, so that's how you automate tasks in Zapier. I hope the tutorial helps you with your daily tasks to make your life easier. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone.